This video will cover an oil change on a 1995 Ford E-150. This can be completed over lunch. Start by safely raising and securing your van. Unscrew the oil filler cap and place a collector under your oil pan. Unscrew the drain plug and let the used oil flow into your collector. Move your collector towards the front of the engine and unscrew your oil filter. Clean and reseat your drain plug. Inspect your new filter, coat the gasket with oil, and hand seat the filter back onto the threaded post. Pre-fill if desired, but do note that due to the angle of the filter, it will spill during installation. My filter is a Motorcraft FL-1A. Fill your van with 5 quarts of your preferred oil. For this, I am using Mobil 1 5W30 synthetic oil. While filling, periodically check your oil level via the dipstick to make sure that you have the correct amount. After that, you're all done. Enjoy your Ford E-150.